Precision meets durability in our range of die-set bushings, designed for high performance in linear motion applications. Constructed with a robust aluminum body and integrated with a Frelon liner, these bearings guarantee self-lubricating, maintenance-free operation, while being interchangeable with industry-standard die sets. Our Frelon liner can either be directly bonded to the aluminum housing of the die set, or used as an assembly for our simplicity bearings. Available from 3/4 of an inch ID to a 3-inch ID and 19 millimeters to 80 millimeters for diverse application requirements. Offers support for significant loads up to 55,000 pounds for inch series and 24,600 kilograms for metric series. Facilitates oil-free operation with the option for external lubrication if desired. Comes with 4 PAC clamps for secure and precise mounting.